Are you tired of worrying about someone snooping through your personal apps or your iPhone or your iPad? In today's digital age, protecting your privacy is more important than ever. In this quick tutorial, I will show you 2 simple ways to lock and hide apps on your iOS 18 device. Whether you want to keep your banking information secure or just maintaining your privacy, these methods will help you safeguard your apps from unauthorized access. So with this information, let's dive right in. Hello again. The first part is about how to lock apps. Alright, let's jump into the fun part. Actually, using this feature is surprisingly easy. First, find the app you want to lock. For example, I want to lock my Instagram, which is so important for me. The first, you can see I'm able to open up it without any lock. Now I will show you how to lock this app or another app. Now tap and hold on your finger on the app you want to lock. Now a menu will pop up with some options. Look for the one that says Require Face ID. Just tap on it and again confirm Require Face ID. Just tap on here. And now just scan your face. Try to find your face. And here we lock the app. Now let me show you how it works. Just tap on the app. And here, as you can see, there is a dialog which wanna scan your face. I will turn my face away to show you how it works. As you can see, without my permission or scanning my face or my password, it will not open the program in any way and will not give any access to the program. Just with scan my face and my password, and as you can see, it has opened. And for when you want to disable this feature, again tap and hold on the app and just don't require Face ID. Just tap on here and again you have a normal option and the app will be open without any permission or any passcode, just as normal. Now in the next I will teach you how to hide apps. Now what if you want to completely hide an app from your home screen? The process is very similar. Again, tap and hold on your finger on the app. Select Require Face ID. And this time we will choose Hide and Require Face ID, the second option. Just tap on here. That's it. And it will scan your face and you have a message here. Actually, this message tells you that you can no longer see this app on your home screen and you can only find it in certain places or in app library section in the hidden folder. Just see the message and confirm that with tap on hide app. And as you can see, you can no longer see this app on your home screen. As you can see guys, I'm not able to find the app on my home screen, and even in search bar you can't find it. Let me show you. For example, on search bar I will search for Instagram, and as you can see, I don't have any option to see this app here. Now let me show you where to find this app or apps you are hiding. Just swiping to the left till the end to see the app library. As you can see, here is the app library, and swiping to down and you will see the hidden folder. Just tap here and it wanna scan your face and just see the sensor. And as you can see, you have Instagram here. Just tap on it again, scan your face and you have a app here. And as you can see, we successfully hidden this app. Let me show you again. Swiping to the left, see the app library. Swiping to the down, just tap on hidden folder app, and that's it. You have your hidden app here. Now a question arises here, how to make your app in the first state which is not hidden. Just tap and hold on your app and tap on don't require Face ID. As you can see, our app came out of hidden mode and you don't see anything in the hidden folder. But there is a problem here. You cannot see the app on your home screen, but don't worry, I will tell you. To solve this problem, go to the search bar and search for the name of the app that you hid it before. For example, in this case, it was Instagram. Let me search the name here. And here, as you can see, you can find the program. Just tap on hold on the app icon. And in this case, just tap on add to home screen. You have an option here. Just tap here. And after that, you will see that the app has been quickly added to your home screen. As always and as normal. And let me test it. As you can see, everything is normal as always. Alright my friends, that's all you need to know about locking and hiding app in iOS 18. It's a fantastic way to take control of your iPhone privacy and keep your confidential information safe. If you found this video helpful my friends, be sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more tech tips and tricks. Also let me know in the comments below what other iOS 18 features you would like to see covered in the future video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next.